I knew a simple soldier boy
who grinned through life in empty joy.
He slept soundly through the lonesome dark,
and whistled early with the lark.
And in winter trenches, cowed and glum, with cramps and lice and lack of rum, he put a bullet
through his brain, and no one spoke of him again.
Roasting, guys. It is absolutely roasting. Guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and yeah, wish me luck. I'll see you through the looking glass. You see people like turning their heads away. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? Like, I'm all for people protecting their privacy and all of that kind of thing. It's just a camera. It's not like I'm sucking your soul out. Idiocy. What about sitting in that corner so you're out of the sun, man?
Why?
It's another fine day in Gotham City.